Hello guys! Today I'm gonna show you how to work your Twitter accounts automatically. We're gonna use our tool, TweetAttacksPro 4. Let's create some basic tasks. First, I'm adding an account category. And then add my account in this category. You'd better input your email for verification. Here I'm showing you my account manually. As you can see, I have 0 following and 0 followers. And 0 tweets. Basically an empty account. Then I will check my account. It will tell me if my account is available or not. You can select or change anything you want. I'm gonna follow the basics. It's very fast. Now we can see the status shows normal. Next, I'm gonna create some tasks for my need. First, I created a follow module. You can see all the modules here. You can change settings by your preference. Remember to read notes here. You can set runtime also. But I'm not gonna change anything. Same ways, advanced settings. Then I'm adding some modules for this follow task. I'm adding search module first. You can input keywords as you want. So as a legit Justin Bieber fan, that's what I'm doing. I'm not gonna change anything though. You can filter locations or languages. Here is advanced search. Remember to select people here if your task is for follow. Remember to save. Then add a get details module. So here I want to get details from my searched people. Choose search module here. Next, add a filter module. So here I want to filter data from get details. You can select what you want to filter. Last, I'm adding an account run thread module. Don't forget to tick your account here and save. Then add follow module from here. Here I want to follow people from filtered data. So I've done work. Let's run the follow people task. The program is searching people now. You can see the infos from this window. It is working. Before following people, it will check my login status. Now I'm following an account about Justin Bieber, I guess. Finished. Then I'm following Justin Bieber. Here we can see I'm following 2 people now. Still following people. So I'm gonna stop running. I followed 3 people now. Next, I'm creating a retweet module. Still same settings. But here I will only add a search module. Then before add a retweet module, I have to add an account run thread module. Select data source from search module. Then let's retweet. Reconfirm if I've ticked my account here. It works now. You can see I've retweeted 1 tweet. check it's all about Justin Bieber. Now stop. Creating a new one about favorite. Same steps. So these are just some basic modules combination. You can combine any modules to create your own tasks for your business by this tool.